Hello guys, it's day 103 I think of the build. We had about a half a week in on the house. We didn't get any days in this week on the roof due to the tropical storm, almost typhoon, but anyway, let's see what we got done. And I think today is going to be a quick one because we're pretty busy today. So, and here we go. Let's start over here at our tower for our transformer. It is formed all the way to the top now. The transformer's coming next week, I'm being told. It's about 30 feet. Looks 30 feet to me, so 10, 20, yeah, it's about 30 feet, so that's it there. The fence, which is a wall, will come off each side, so it'll come off this way for the front wall and going back off the back side of that. So looks like we still need to fill it in. And that's about it. That's all I got for this. I think we'll probably leave the scaffold up to get the transformer up there. Sounds like the well guys are here. I guess we'll go start back there. Sorry, I forgot about weather check. Just a little cloudy over there and some blue skies over here. Yeah, so they're here, they're working. Looks like they're driving the pipe into the ground. Okay, that's that. We got the CR built back up, outhouse. That's it there. Not too much new over here from last video, except somebody's been doing some laundry. Carport still being filled. And it appears we got a little bit more into these rooms. Well room, generator room. Needs a lot more. Looks like they're working on the walls. Sorry guys, I did forget my mic today, so I will try and talk loud for you in case you can't hear. Sifting the black sand over here for finishing the walls. We did pick a front door and a front door layout. So the arch here will be duplicated on the door. So we're going to do so it'll be a 3-foot door, 914 millimeter door across here, and a side light on either side, and then there will be a transom above the door, and the top of the transom will have the same arch as this here, so it'll match that arch there. So I think it'll end up looking good. We will be building a wall off here that's going to go, I think, 60 or 70 centimeters into there, and that will block the kitchen when you first come in, so your eye's going to catch more of the living room, dining room, and out the back patio door there. So it will come off here, and that wall will be the same distance from the center of the door. So from here to this wall that's going to be there, the center of the door will be in the middle of that. So the door will appear centered in there from this side, outside, and also from inside. We got some finishing going on in the walls here in the kitchen area. That hole right there is going to be the water supply for the refrigerator. We're still looking into finding a refrigerator that does have a water supply on the back of it. Go back to the bedrooms. Bedroom here appears to be the same. I don't see any updates in here. Again, we will be building a wall across. Sorry, let's try again. A wall across here and come back here, and this will be a closet right here with 2 bifold doors, 6-foot opening. Bathroom. Looks like they're filling that back wall now, so that whole back wall is going to be one entire wall. Looks good. Another bedroom. This one also will have that closet, so we're going to be building a wall, not at that, it'll be out a little bit from it and come across and reconnect in with 2 bifold doors also. So closet for this bedroom. Laundry room. So we filled over the vent pipe, created that corner in there. I think that's going to look nice. We did get the laundry box in, also the electrical for it. There will be a 4-inch hole put in this wall exiting outside. That's where the dryer is going to vent outside. We got another plug here, and this will be a vanity over here with a sink, and that's a drain for that sink. Master bedroom. Looks pretty much the same. I don't see any new updates in here. Electrical, they did pull some wire in here, so that's good. We're making progress on the electrical. Shower valves were mudded over. So his and hers. These 2 box or cutouts in here and here, those will be for lights over the 6-foot vanity that'll be down here with a mirror, full-length mirror in between. There's the window for the bathroom, and there's Sella and her glasses. Walk-in closet, finishing walls in here. Looks good in here. That's it there. Power's been in and out. That's why the roof company couldn't make it out. Today would have been the first day, but unfortunately, a few of the workers got sick. So it looks like they've only got 1 worker out here priming. priming steel. So roof panels, that's a gray. Some of those have been delivered, and ridge, looks like ridge vent too. Or sorry, ridge. I did order some roof vents, 8-inch roof vents. So we'll be putting 10 roof vents up near the peak. The soffits will be vented, every third panel in the soffit. And the soffits, just for those who don't know, would be basically the ceiling on the outside of the house. Let me go over there. So basically the overhang of the roof, that'll have, well, I'll call it a ceiling out there, but we call it soffit. To close that out so you can't have access into the attic, we put panels there, and that's back home. Sometimes we use vinyl, we use wood. Wood is maintenance, so we're going to use a vinyl. Every third panel, I think the panels are roughly 14 inches wide. So every third panel, and the panels will run from the house out. So every 14 inches will be a panel. Panel. Every third panel will be vented, so it'll be perforated. So that'll be air into the attic. And then, like I said, where I started, I bought 10 roof vents, and they're 8-inch diameter cans, and those 10 will be located all around the house. So there'll be 2 on the side, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then 3 in front, 3 in back. So I'm thinking that should be enough to get proper ventilation, so we don't get any mold, excessive heat up in the attic transferring down into the house. I'm sorry, were you talking to me?
We put already the water faucet there for outside.
Oh, there's a faucet over there? Where at?
The green one.
Okay, so that'll be for an outside faucet. I think we're doing a total of 8 around the house. So there'll be hose bib type on the outside of the house. And finish walls. That's our electrician right there. Driving the pipe to the wall. They must be still having issues with the hole collapsing in. And that's about it. I think we're close to, I think we're 1 or 2 away from 600 subscribers. So thank you everybody again who has subscribed. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you everybody for the comments. Do appreciate it. If I haven't gotten to it, sometimes I'm not getting notification in my email that there are comments. So I do try and get to them all. If I don't take it personally. I do try to go back, and I obviously can't go back through every video. So if I didn't get to you, it wasn't on purpose. And I think that's about it for today. It's payday. It's a Saturday, so Saturday payday. We pay twice a week. So we're gonna get these guys paid, and we gotta get out of here. We got other things we gotta do. So anyway, thanks again to everybody, and we'll see you next Wednesday. And Sella. Okay. All right. We out.